Oh, yeah, here we go.
They're not loud, Tyler. Oh, wow. Nice. Watch the Rangers.
Watch, guys.
Yeah, here we go.
Jack, are you in here? Here, Jack. Get away from it.
That's better than 4th of July.
Okay. If a ranger comes, we all get down. We're gonna substitute.
Look at that. Should be.
We're gonna get down. Oh God.
This is awesome.
Look at everybody else. We're the ones who did this. They're shooting a bunch.
That's the second set.
They're not meant to do to Monday. These are not explode ones. I see it hot.
Still good. That's the third
Wait, there's more.
This is the third one. I think there's one more board. There is one more board that's going to go on.
It's officially desert season.
One more. Alright, so this is still the second board. Yeah.
How many are there? There's like 3,000. Oh yeah, there's 7. There's more, Mickey. Yeah, there's more. There's more. There's more. There's more. There's 70. Oh yeah.
Look at this. What a show that is. Right? Jeffrey Hyde getting it done.
Be quiet.
Well, just how I say it on this.
We're at 4 minutes now.
You're like hiding now for a second.
I know, me too. I'm like, ah! I'm pretty scared. That's not why I'm scared. Ranger! Ranger! Back! That's not a Ranger. It's a Jeep!
He doesn't care.
So that feels like, oh! Maybe that wasn't a Ranger. That was not a Ranger.
everyone. That was awesome.
Wow. Round of applause.
It's not done. It's not done. It's not even close. No firing. Come on. Hurry up.
It says something at the top.
Actually, we don't want to hurry up. We don't want the glory.